The world may feel a little topsy-turvy at the moment, so come and restore your balance in Jersey. Some people need a little more reassurance, while others are quite confident to take the first steps now. Some like to take things slow, others are straight into the fast lane. Some like to ponder and contemplate. Others like to dive right in. Some are simply looking to unwind, while others want to reconnect again. Some like the old, others like the new. And some like it hot, others not. So come and experience Jersey for what we're known for, the little island with a big spirit, and find your perfect balance here with us.